I'm going to show you an experiment from my book. I'm going to show you an experiment today. So I'm going to show you that pores are present in a leaf. So for this we're going to take some boiling hot water and we're going to put a leaf in it. Please do not put your hands in the boiling hot water. Please take help of elders. So let's start. So first we're going to do it with a small leaf. Add some tweezers. So let's put it in. Wait for a little time and we will see some tiny bubbles coming out. So now we have added a bigger one also. So here the bubbles start coming. If you can see, there's a little bubble there. So here, see, here, look. If you can see carefully, there are bubbles rising up now, and that's oxygen that's coming out of the poles. So I plugged in the leaf from the rose tree, and now let's put it in. So here, look, you can see the bubbles rising. Here are some bubbles. Oxygen is getting out from the leaf in the hot water. So let's move it a little in this place. Hope you can see the bubbles. So this is a while after I put it in. There are lots of leaves that are kind of present in here, if you can see. Look, there are lots of bubbles in this here. So here are the bubbles. Thank you.